Okay guys, I've been meaning to make this video, and this is the final product of the finished product of the test bench slash radio that part one is on my channel, and I actually completed this thing quite a while back. I just haven't gotten around to making a video for it. So I just want to kind of go through this, what this is all about. Basically we got a Kenwood doubled in head unit here. We got obviously 4 speakers, got components up top here, Polk Audio, and we got just some basic coax Kenwoods down here. And all these speakers are powered off of this head unit, front left channel, front right channel, rear left, rear right. And this switch right here, if you want to listen to the radio, basically I have it on right now. You can see it's on right now. And now, if you want to shut these speakers off, well, first let me say that what the purpose of this for me, the reason I originally built it was because I test a lot of audio equipment, car audio equipment, and if I want to do that, if I want to listen to the radio, all these switches are on. This switch controls, this speaker. Second switch controls that speaker. So if I want to shut the speakers off and test audio equipment, I got these here. These would be the outputs, from the radio that would be going into the audio equipment, like the line converter or whatnot, for the testing purposes. And I also got these terminals here underneath the speakers in case I want to test an amplifier and I want to send the speaker outputs from the amplifier, into the speakers. So I would have all my speakers shut off here, which I'll show you here how to control them. So I would shut the top left off, top right off, top bottom left, and then rear right. So they're all shut off now. Now I can go ahead and test whatever I need to test, line converter, DSP, whatever. Or if I'm doing an amplifier, I can send the amplified signal back to there. Also, I have my RCAs here. If I'm testing an amp, I got front, rear, I think it was front, sub, and rear. And all 4 of these are speaker outputs. And this right here is a power 12 volt, and a ground for smaller units, for stuff but not a lot of draw. And then these right here for an amplifier for, testing a more heftier wire. The quick connects there. So, it's pretty cool. It's all done and it works great. I can literally use it, I can hook up my Bluetooth to this and listen to music on it. And the power that comes from this Kenwood unit, it's like 22 watts by 4. It's pretty powerful, actually. It sounds pretty good. But like I said, if I want to, play music through it, I just hit the switch. This will be upper left, upper right, and this. There you go. And then if I want to test, I just shut the channels off. And now I can go ahead and test through whatever testing mechanisms I have to for DC, AC audio. And I'm going to show you the back here, how it's wired up, in case you're interested. So we got our power supply here. This basically goes from the plug in the wall. I got a death plug here. Shouldn't use one of these, they're illegal. Double male plug. Yeah, you just make sure you're always unplugging from there first. Don't ever unplug from there because that thing will be alive. I've already gotten shocked. I've actually got a switch that I was going to put in the side here, like a light switch. But anyways, the power supply is here. The wall unit comes into that. It creates DC power for the radio. And then all the wiring goes from, the radio into the speakers, into the switch here in the middle that, the blue switches. Everything's wired correctly there to operate the way I showed you. I put the crossovers for the upper, component speakers. These are the crossovers for them here. And, yeah, that's it. It's wired up pretty nice. I really like it. Turned out good. Like I said, I've been using it for a couple years. I just haven't made a video for it. So, as promised, I wanted to finish with the video. Thanks for watching. Take care.